Hello and welcome to this tutorial on S&P Capital IQ. This brief tutorial will show you how to access S&P Capital IQ, what kind of information is available, and how to do a company search. Let's get started. Visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. S&P Capital IQ is on this list. Please note that an account is required to access S&P Capital IQ. S&P Capital IQ is an in-depth financial valuation data resource that includes information on equities, credit ratings, transactions, and more. This is the homepage for S&P Capital IQ. At the top of the page, you'll find a search bar you can use to quickly search for companies, funds, and people. Below the search bar, you'll find the navigation menu where you can access links to company profiles, market research, and screening tools. To set up a company search, hover over Companies at the top of the page, then select Companies under the Search Profiles section. If you're looking specifically for news, events, filings and annual reports, or investment research, you can select that topic at the top of the page. For now, let's search for Microsoft. A list of companies will appear on the results page and include the company name, type, and features and information available for that company. To open the profile, click on the company name from the list. This is the company profile for Microsoft Corporation. At the top, you'll find basic information about the company, such as the website, ticker symbol, and year founded. As you scroll through the report, you'll find additional information such as a business description, industry classification, primary office location, investment information, stock data, and more. On the left side of the screen, you can access more information about the company, such as a list of competitors, board members, and company financials. You'll find download options at the top of the page. These options will vary depending on the type of information you're viewing. If you need more help using S&P Capital IQ, click on the Help link at the top of the page. Please note that the help content is dependent on the section of Capital IQ you're working in. Now you know how to access S&P Capital IQ, what kind of information is available, and how to do a company search. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.